on? Man, I wonder who out here in this devil's weather today. It's hot. How can I help you?
How you doing today, young man?
Bruh, step back. Bro, where your shoes at, dog?
Huh?
Ain't your feet hot?
No.
Bruh, it's 108 degrees outside, bruh.
Yeah,
What can I help you with, bro?
got a couple dollars I can borrow.
Nah, I got some water. And why your shirt got holes in it, bro? You sponsored by Yeezy?
Stop playing. You got a couple dollars. I gotta get a fix.
A fix? Bro, I got some. The best I can do is some water, bro.
I'm trying to get fixed. It's a rehabilitation center right up the street, and he only let me go for $20 today. So anything can help.